Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, here with a little video. Music playing. Turn that off. We ain't gonna be here long. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, right? So, I did a video a couple weeks ago about the Westech product, right? And I gave my opinion in my first impressions, and I talked about the product, right? And a lot of people have been DMing me and commenting about how it wouldn't work on a balding clipper, or what you're saying doesn't make sense. So somebody was saying that I wasn't explaining correctly about it, not that it just takes away the guards, right? So yes, what I was saying, negate, I was saying that it takes away your use of guards. And maybe that's on me, and I apologize if I wasn't explaining that well, right? But since then, so on the first go around, I used it on the JRL, right? And now I got it on the Stylecraft Instinct. So if you are not, familiar with the Westech product, so what it is it's a guard attachment that goes onto your clipper, and it takes away the use of guards. So it has this mechanism down here at the bottom, so it goes up to a 2, all that good stuff, right? And I was giving my opinion on it, and I was saying that I don't think I feel like it's more of a novelty product. This one I said in the video I was going to give it more use, more time, and this I've been using it for about a week, maybe longer, on the Stylecraft Instincts now, the Instinct clippers. And my stance is pretty much the same. Now, it does work better on the Instinct. I don't know if it's the motor or whatever, but it does feel like it's more compatible with a clipper of that status than the JRL, all right? So if you look here, right, that's how you open it from the 1 to the 2, right? Even with this clipper, I still get that. I still get that rattle on the 2, so I don't like that, right? And this is where you bringing it down, the clipper, blah, blah. And then you got the lever, right? And I was saying in my video, negates the use of guards, right? And somebody commented, it was like, what is negate, or something like that. So I wanted to make sure I was using the word right, which I was. I was just saying it takes away the use of needing to use guards. But with this contraption, and I still will put it in the novelty section of barbering. That's just my opinion, because it's, first of all, it don't feed through the hair don't feed through the blade good. So part of the time that you use trying to make sure that this is clear, you could just be putting another guard on, right? Also, until you get used to that, you're gonna be like turning it around, making sure that it's on the 1, or making sure that it's on the, and then you go into the go. It's not, in my opinion. I've seen people using it, and I've seen people that say they like it. When I do reviews, it is based off of my usage. If you still, when I make a review, this is just my opinion. Maybe you should or shouldn't buy it. You should always go and listen to somebody else. Maybe they'll give it a different stance on it. I'm not finding this to help me in any way. It's not taking time off, and at some points it's actually adding time to me trying to find out the right spot, or clearing out the hair of the blade, and like I said in my first video, if they bring out another one, I will purchase it, because I still want it. I still like the ideal, but maybe it just need a little work. And maybe when I was saying that it should have been on a balding clipper, maybe that's the wrong thing, because yes, you still need the lever. Maybe they should find a way to create the clipper to have the lever and everything move at once instead of you having to turn it around. Make sure that you're on a 1, on a 0. You get what I'm saying? Like, maybe it's just something, and it could just be me. Some of y'all might buy this product. This product is $80. I was saying in my video 50, 60 or something like that, but it is $80. But maybe some of y'all will buy this product and find it to be a life changer, something that everybody else may need. But in my opinion, my usage of it, I'm not a fan of it. So I just wanted to touch bases again with the Westech product. Have this 2 weeks changed my mind of usage? Yes and no. I still don't think anyone should rush out to get it. But it did work better on the instant clipper. Like I said, maybe it's that motor, maybe it's that torque that the instinct had. It gave it a little bit better push, but I was still running into the same problems of not really taking time off the cut. All right, and like I said, that's just how I feel about it. I feel $80 is, I don't want to say steep because it's their design, it's their mechanics, but I think with $80 maybe we should wait until the second one come out. All right, I was happy to buy it. I was happy to use it. I was happy to give it a go. At the CT Expo, I ran into the owners and stuff of the business and creators of it. Nice people. That's the one thing that you run into when you're doing reviews or whatever, that I'm never trying to break anybody down or tell them that what they doing is wrong, which I have ruffled a few feathers, but we won't talk about who those people are. But it is what it is. It's just part of what I do, and which is why sometimes I feel happy or I feel better purchasing something, because in that aspect of it, I am the consumer. Although even if a company sends me something, if it's not good, I'm still gonna leave my same review. I'm still gonna be the same, but I feel better if I pay for it and then say I don't like it, rather than you sending it to me or giving it to me and then me saying I don't like it. So that's just my touchback on the Westech. I still don't give it, I don't see it changing anything. So on my instinct, I will be putting my regular blade back on. I'll probably put a fade blade, not the vapor blade. I'll probably put a fade blade on there. But either way, just my opinion. Again, I'm not against the criticism, but sometimes I've been called a sellout the past few weeks. I don't know. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. And yeah, we'll be back with another video very soon. That is my thoughts on the Westech. Hopefully it all made sense. If not, DM me, leave it in the comments. We can talk about it. Peace.